secret. Okay, so here is the intermittent relay for the Porsche 911 1974. And it's hard to see down in here right now, but it is actually, if I can hold this still, is it, well,
Now just keep an eye on it and it'll move.
it's hard, it's really hard to see it move because it moves, so we hooked it up to a light in order to verify it. And here's your pulsing. On, off. So there's your wipers pulsing right there. Now, Steve, can we move the potentiometer here a little bit? Or is that tricky?
A little bit, yeah.
Because it's the tiniest amount will probably make a big difference,
Yeah.
right?
But I think its movement's more obvious now.
Right. Yeah. So our basically our potentiometer is not the perfect range. So it's a little bit tight on that, and the tiniest movement on the potentiometer will make a big deal. In any case, yeah, dirty points on the contacts, essentially, but we did figure out exactly how it works. So there's our transistor bridge, our timer circuit, the rheostat in. Basically, we highly suspect that you have a bad variable potentiometer, because you already gave me the readings on that. And the indication is that we're only getting readings out of one side. And you can see we've got all three wires hooked up there. We need the ascending and descending resistance. So you got to send us that rheostat. We'll check it out. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.